This video is sponsored by K-Seal, permanent coolant leak repair and head gasket fix with K-Seal.
You probably know the most common areas where coolant can leak. But what components can leak that can leave you stumped? Here are 3 items that can be easy to miss and easily prevented by using a sealant in the cooling system. Freeze plugs are designed to pop out if the coolant freezes inside the block. Using an interference fit, the plugs fit into casting holes in the water jacket. Unfortunately, most production engines use steel plugs that can corrode. A sealant like K-Seal can stop a leak where corrosion has taken its toll on the plug and block. Transmissions can also have coolant leaks. Many modern automatic transmissions use warmers that look like an oil cooler you might find on an engine between the block and oil filter. The system exchanges heat between hot engine coolant and cold transmission fluid. Warmers can be located on top or side of the transmission. If they leak, it can be challenging to spot. Also, if the unit is leaking internally, it can force coolant into the transmission. A sealant like K-Seal can stop a leak from damaging gears and clutches. One of the most misdiagnosed coolant leaks happens where coolant lines attach to the turbocharger. These lines circulate coolant around the center section of the turbocharger. Leaks can be difficult to spot due to heat shields covering the turbo. Also, leaking coolant can be vaporized by the hot exhaust turbine housing and downpipe before it reaches the ground. A sealant can prevent these unseen leaks and protect the turbocharger. All 3 of these challenging leak scenarios can be prevented if K-Seal is added to the cooling system before a problem occurs. This way, you can protect your customer's engine, transmission, and even the turbocharger.
This video is sponsored by K-Seal, permanent coolant leak repair and head gasket fix with K-Seal.